I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally and generate rewards. Today's word is attribution. When we are delivering speeches that have statistics, research, polls, images, book titles, and so on, it is important for us as speakers to give all of those creators the attribution that they deserve. They put in hard work, energy, so that this way we could use their information. And it's only right for us to honor them by giving them attribution. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you are meant to be. Bye now.